Hi guys, this is Iman and today I am talking about the 3 mistakes a beginner photographer did. So let's get started. So click on the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for latest updates. Mistake number 1. Poor composition. Well, a good composition is the key of a beautiful picture. Poor composition is one of the main mistakes a beginner photographer make. As a result, they sometimes have too much negative space in their picture or they are too close to the subject which ruins their picture. Be mindful of what is inside your frame. In the next picture, we can see that there is a lot of negative space. The picture was not well composed. So let's see some well composed picture. There are those frames which are well composed. Mistake number 2. Rush. Don't rush. Take your time and click a beautiful picture. Most of the beginner photographers get impatient. Calm down. Take your time and believe me or not, you will take a better photo. Think of your composition, set your exposure, check your focus, then shoot. Look, we have to shoot fast to capture moment, but we also have to prepare our frame. And as a result, you can get this kind of images. So, don't rush. Take your time and shoot. Mistake number 3. Shooting JPEG. Always prefer RAW over JPEG because it helps us a lot. Most of the beginner photographers shoot JPEG. This is the most common mistake a beginner photographers make. Sometimes you are taking a photo where it's difficult to control the exposure and the white balance, etc. Here RAW files helps us a lot. RAW file is uncompressed data from your camera's image sensor. So if you shoot at RAW, you get more room while editing and it offers a non-distractive editing. If you don't know what is JPEG, JPEG is an image file format which compresses all the data from your picture and make it small and easier to access. And if you don't know what is RAW, RAW is an image format which basically uncompressed data from your camera sensor. Imagine you accidentally took this kind of image where highlights and shadows are blown out, white balance isn't perfect, no sharpness. In such situation, if you shoot RAW, then we can recover this image in post-processing. So guys, that's for today. Thanks for watching this video and hope you like it and peace out.